Hey, welcome to How to Make a Sterling Silver Handmade Ring. And I'm Adonis, knuckle jewelry. Let's go. Okay, so you start out with your material you're going to use: sterling silver, gold, platinum, copper, right? This right here is a spool. 16 gauge is what I'm using for today's ring, all right? Today's ring is one of my favorites. Let's start it out with though right here. What I did was cut the desired length that I needed here, right here. I love making handmade sterling silver rings. Sterling silver is one of my favorite. So today's ring, what I'm going to show you how to do is I'm going to take the mandrel, and I took this, and what I'm going to do is pick a spot on there, determine on, how big you want the ring, and I'm just going to wrap the wire around this. Just going to wrap it around like that. And it's got a little bounce to it. I'm wrapping it. Now this is very, I love this ring. I love this ring here. So I'm going to take these pliers here. Check those out. Nice. I'm going to come almost to the end. I'm going to take my thumb, push down, and then turn this piece right here. So I'm turning that wire inward right there. So the wire is inward. What I want this wire to do is touch right here. Touch that wire. That's what I want to do. I'm going to take this other side and do the same thing, right? Going to take that. I love this ring. I love this design. I'm going to take my cutters, right? Flush cutters. Going to cut right underneath that end. Do that little piece of pop-off silver there. Right? I'm going to take that and I'm going to bend it right so it's touching that wire right there. So what I'm doing is going for wire touching on both ends, both sides. Where you actually touch it is going to be on you because that's going to be your design. That right there looks awesome. Handmade sterling silver ring, but we're not done yet. We're not done. We're not done at all. So I'm going to take some sterling silver solder paste, right? Half easy, and I'm going to put some red on this joint right there. Going to smear it in nice and good. And now, once again, this is just how I do it. You can have your way of doing it. You can, this is just all my opinion on just how I do it, how I've been doing it, right? You can modify it and change it. There it is. I put some on that in as well, right? Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to solder these two connections to the main piece, all right? So, what I'm going to do, so I'm going to start with this one first. I'm going to touch this to it. Let's see. Good way to get to it. Well, maybe let's start with this one. Good, we got the... And I blow a little bit to keep this away from inhaling that smell. All right, got that a little bit together there. What I'm gonna do is dip it in the water, cool it down real quick. Hop to the other side. Make sure it's all good. I'm going for an even melt. All right, drop that in there. Let's set this to the side. Handmade sterling silver ring on its way. There it is. Checking the joints, pulling really strong. And look at that, Now, what I'll do later on is after they're in the acid, I'll drop this in the acid for about a half an hour. Then I'll put it in the tumbler for about an hour, and then I'll hit it with the buffering. I'll put pictures of this on the Facebook page and on my Instagram. Facebook page is Knuckle Jewelry, right? The Instagram page is Adonis Action, right? It's kind of my personal page where I throw everything like that. Also, you can go to the store, which is knucklejewelry.com, right? That looks awesome. This will be great on somebody's finger. Snatch it up. This is truly a one-of-a-kind piece of jewelry right here. Handmade sterling silver ring. All right. All right, till the next time, remember, like and subscribe and give me a comment. Tell me if you like it, you don't like it. Any feedback is great, all right? And remember, hit that like button, and so you can see more of my videos coming up on how to do this. I'll give detailed how to do this if you need more help and things like that. Maybe we can do a Zoom or whatever. Once again, that is pretty awesome, and it's gonna look great on somebody's finger, and just check it out. Adonis, have a great day. Knuckle Jewelry. Thank you. Peace.